Melicoccus bijugatus, commonly called Spanish lime, genip, guinep, genipe, ginepa, quenepa, quenep, chenet, canepa, mamon, limoncillo, skinip or mamoncillo, is a fruit-bearing tree in the soapberry family Sapindaceae, native or naturalized across the New World tropics including South and Central America, Tobago, Haiti, Puerto Rico, Dominican Republic, Cuba, Jamaica and other parts of the Caribbean. Taxonomy. The genus Melicoccus was first described by Patrick Brown, an Irish doctor and botanist, in 1756. This description was based on M. bijugatus trees which were cultivated in Puerto Rico. In 1760, Nicolaus Joseph von Jacquin described the first species in Brown's genus, which he named M. bijugatus. In 1762 Linnaeus used a spelling variation of the name Melicocca bijuga. Over the next 2 centuries, Linnaeus' spelling variation was used in almost all publications. A proposal was made in 1994 to conserve Melicocca over Melicoccus, but the proposal was rejected, leading to a restoration of the original version of the name. In 1888 German taxonomist Ludwig Radlkofer placed Melicoccus in the tribe Melicoccus together with 8 other genera. In his monograph on the neotropical members of the tribe Pedro Acevedo Rodriguez suggested that although Talsia and Melicoccus appeared to form a monophyletic group, the other genera probably did not belong to the same lineage. The specific epithet bijugatus refers to the bijugate leaves, leaves which consist of 2 pairs of leaflets. Local names equals, it is known by many names around the growth region, mamoncillo or mamacubden, chenet, quenet, guinep, guire, quenepa, skinip, quenep, canepa, genip, guinep, ginepa, guinep, quenepe and in some parts of Central America tulpa jacote, genpa, xenpa, canepa, nipa and Spanish lime, and limoncillo. Also, it is often referred to as anancillo in central Cuba and southern Florida. It is called a key in the countries of Barbados, St. Lucia, and St. Vincent and the Grenadines. However, in the rest of the Caribbean, the latter name is used to refer to the related Bligia sapida. Distribution. Melicoccus bijugatus is native to northern South America and naturalized in coastal and dry forest in Central America, the Caribbean and parts of the Old World tropics. It is believed to have been introduced into the Caribbean in pre-Columbian times. This fruit, known as quenepa in Puerto Rico, grows particularly abundant in the municipality of Ponce, and there is a yearly celebration in that municipality known as Festival Nacional de la Quenepa. Description: trees can reach heights of up to 25 m and come with alternate, compound leaves. The leaves have 4 elliptic leaflets which are 5 to 12.5 cm long and 2.5 to 5 cm wide. They are typically dioecious plants, however polygamous trees occur from time to time. Flowers have 4 petals and 8 stamens and produce void, green drupes which are 2.5 to 4 cm long and 2 cm wide. Their pulp is orange, salmon or yellowish in color with a somewhat juicy and pasty texture. This fruit can be sweet or sour. In the southern areas of Mexico, it is generally eaten with chili powder, salt, and lime. The sweet varieties are generally eaten without condiments of any kind. Cultivation. Being tropical, M. bijugatus prefers warmer temperatures. Its leaves can be damaged if the temperature hits the freezing point, with serious damage occurring below -4 degrees Celsius. It is grown and cultivated for its ovoid, green fruit, which grow in bunches. The fruit, somewhat like a cross between a lychee and a lime, has a tight and thin, but rigid layer of skin, traditionally opened by biting into with the teeth. Inside the skin is the tart, tangy, creamy pulp, which is sucked by putting the whole fruit inside the mouth because the seed takes most of the volume of what is inside the skin. Despite the light color of the fruit's flesh, the juice stains a dark brown color, and was often used by indigenous Arawak natives to dye cloth. The species is also commonly planted along roadsides as an ornamental tree. See also, corn, longan, lychee, rambutan. References. External links: Fruits of warm climates, mamoncillo, Melicoccus bijugatus, grown in Dominican Republic, limoncillo, Cayman Islands, guinep,